This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath patio home is situated on a quiet cul-de-sac in Arbor Ridge. Features include an open-concept floor plan, cathedral ceiling with skylights in main living area, and beautiful 100% waterproof smart core Woodford Oak vinyl plank flooring in entry hall, kitchen, and bathrooms. Plenty of windows throughout, bringing in natural light, and storage systems in the closets improve organization. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, a large pantry, a breakfast bar, and the current owner updated the space with granite countertops and a tile and glass backsplash. There is a split floor plan providing privacy. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet, and the ensuite bath boasts an enlarged shower with glass door and conveniently contains the laundry closet. A stylish and functional barn door separates bedroom and bathroom. The other 2 bedrooms are served by a nice hall bathroom. Enjoy the outdoors on the large back deck. This maintenance-free community takes care of exterior maintenance, hitting the grounds, roofs, and siding. There is a 2-car garage. This property offers 1,656 square feet of living space and has been very well maintained. Safety grab bars are provided in the master